Hello YouTube. So today I have a new video for you. This one is the first video in a two-part video series about the Nerf Revolution Secret Santa. The project that I decided to give my Secret Santa was a Snappo Mark V. This is a new blaster made just for the Secret Santa. I started it around Thanksgiving and I completed it today. I had filmed a progress report video, but I never got around to uploading it. So this is a Snappo Mark V. It has 7 inches of draw with a full-length K26 spring and a relatively good seal. So to work my way from the front to the back, standard 1 inch to ½ inch size reduction bushing has been screwed in. The blue that you see is a kind of sealing material used for threads on screws, and it seems to work quite well. It hardens, and so that is the main sealing material in this blaster. Standard clothespin trigger. I mounted the handle originally too close, and so what I did was I took the farthest screw hole and I just moved it back to that one and only drilled one new hole instead of having to drill 2 new holes for the handle. So what that ended up doing was ended up leaving a large gap, and so I had some hot glue, but it was pulling out too much, the trigger, so I just added some of these slug, I guess they're pads. So that's what the trigger hits when you pull it back. It's not very clean and I don't like it too much, but it's okay. 2 holes on the top for mounting the handle. You have the end cap. I realized that the holes don't actually need to be that big. They only need to be large enough for the drill and for the screwdriver. So this one here is quite small in comparison to the ones people usually make. I do have some mess up holes and I think some small marking lines on the top up here, but overall it's pretty clean. The handle is extremely clean. It is a pine handle that has been I guess the handle is quite clean. It is a pine handle that's been sanded, and then I added I think 4 coats of polyurethane to it. It was sanding in between every coat, and it's incredibly smooth. It's quite comfortable. It does the job well. It's actually a rainbow pump handle that's just a bit shorter on the top piece. And that's mounted with no hot glue. I tried not using any adhesives on this blaster. I ended up using a few, I think, around the trigger just because it needed some more reinforcement. So I put some super glue. Oh, and then also on the bottom, it's 2-part epoxied, the nail. But other than that, there's no adhesives on the entire blaster, all mechanically fastened. This blaster would have been ready a bit sooner. It was just that I realized I didn't have any silicone grease, which was a problem. So I ordered some, and Orange Mod Books took a while to ship it. We got 2-day shipping, but still it took some time. So this wasn't quite ready on time for the Secret Santa. It shoots your standard speed. It's a homemade, so it shoots quite hard. That was 2 darts. Later there will be a review of what I received from my Secret Santa. I am also giving the Nerf Revolution member 54 slugs to make up for the delay and the arrival of the blaster. Thank you for watching, and check back soon for some more videos.